send it accordingly. What up, car people? Ariel here. On today's episode, we're gonna take this JDM 0 on a montage all the way to the top, back to its former glory. Today, we restore this rare JDM TRD sports lid. Ooh yeah. Nothing worth earning comes easy, and I'm a glutton for punishment. The sports lid didn't always look this good. It had this nasty chip at the corner, and the finish was badly swirled and even scratched in some areas. Rumor has it, only 5,000 of these were made, and they were never officially sold in the USA. If they were easier to find, I would have passed on the restoration process, but good decisions don't build awesome race cars. The sports lid is symmetrical, so I decided to make a mold of the lower right corner to help me reshape the upper left corner. I protected the corners with painter's tape, and I let the glue sticks flow. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and hitting that bell so you could get notified and stay up to date with all my uploads. This channel chronicles what I call car life. The channel isn't vehicle specific, it's just about passion and having fun with cars. We'll need some supplies for cleaning, sanding, and polishing, as well as some minor paint work. I'll list everything used with links in the video description below. This Weld plastic bonder did the trick, but I probably could have used regular Weld. I picked this up because I thought it would dry black, but you'll see later down, not the case. I'm no expert, but I play one on television. This is simply my take on how to repair this damage. Your results may vary. These are my quad hand helping hands that I use for electrical projects. They're super versatile, and we'll be using them today. I dig that Sam Raimi Dr. Octopus vibe that they have too. Once dry, I was able to sand it to its original shape. At this point, I'm very pleased, and I proceed with the tedious task of polishing this fuel door. It's like polishing any headlight, just tons of wet sanding and finally polish. Now that we know the sports lid is worthy of saving, let's treat it to some wet sanding and polish and take it to the Celica for its install. The sports lid has a coating applied on the inside, so I masked around those areas and proceeded to wet sand all exposed clear plastic. A small dab of nail polish was a quick remedy for the Weld that turned out to be gray. Subscribe. Help the channel reach its full potential. If you like this video, hit that like button, leave me a comment down below. Instagram at @themost_Ariel. Installation is easy, but then again, I say that about all my installs, and they generally take thrice as long to complete. On the other hand, they say time flies when you're having fun. Therefore, I time travel when I work on cars. Drill through the rivets holding your OEM fuel door hinge. Once off, remove the snap ring from the fuel filler sealing gasket. Try and say that 3 times fast. for access to the inner skin of the quarter panel. This is necessary if using nut and bolt like I am. Originally, these came with OEM style rivets. It's JDM, yo. Here's a quick comparison of my old fuel cap with TRD cover, commonly found on eBay and Amazon, and the fuel cap included with the sports lid. I believe these were offered as covers for your stock fuel cap and not replacements. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, share it with someone who is passionate about cars. Ariel out. Subscribe. Mm-mm-mm.